Okay.
Megha, you've been quite good in talking. The energy level, the excitement level is quite good. Even your facial expressions are quite good. So people would, in general, like to make a conversation with you. I didn't find much fault with respect to English.
Good
Hi,
evening.
good evening.
Okay.
Yes, Megha.
Can you see me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, okay.
Okay, great. So, Megha, have you been through the today's topic of the day?
Actually, I got the document in last minute. So I just read the headline. Yeah.
Okay, it is a somewhat scary topic.
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay, okay. So let us be. How was your day, but in general?
Yeah, it was good. I was indulged in my work.
So there is an instruction actually. You are supposed to use two idioms. Let us figure out how we can use it.
All right.
The first one is figure out itself, means to understand or to solve something, and the other one is fend for yourself, to take care of yourself basically. So figure out,
Okay.
fend for yourselves are two idioms that you are supposed to use. Okay,
Okay.
the topic is about an abandoned warehouse. You suddenly open your eyes in an abandoned warehouse. How will
All
you
right.
feel? Which city do you
uh,
belong to, first of all?
yeah, so I'm from Chhattisgarh, and that is my
Okay,
state name, and my district name is Piraspur. Yeah.
okay. So, yes, you are.
Okay, so yeah, I have gone through so many times this kind of situation in my dream while
Okay.
sleeping at night, but I always forget what I saw, what I see in my dream. So I cannot,
That is the usual case for everybody.
yeah, yeah. So I cannot relate in this way, but if I would face this kind of situation, so I would be scared,
Okay.
and I would be worried about
You would be
things,
worried about.
yeah, paranormal things,
Mm-hmm.
or ghosts, some maybe, or some wild animals, or some animals like
Mm-hmm.
rats, yeah, and different kind of animals. If I
Okay.
live alone in such place which is abandoned for a long time, so it would be scary for me. Yeah, for sure.
Okay, let's add a little bit more suspense to it. Most of the times we currently use mobiles, and our mobiles are connected to the internet and GPS all the time. Let's
Okay.
assume your mobile is also not working. It isn't having a connection at the moment. There is no network in this particular place, at least not inside the warehouse where you are.
So I
So
would have my phone, but there would be no
there
connectivity. There
would be
would
no
be no
network.
internet
Yes,
facility. You're asking
yes,
for?
there
Yeah.
would be no
So
network and therefore no internet connectivity as well.
so the best thing is that at least I would have my phone.
Hmm.
That is uh, that is like what should I say? Like best thing for me at that period,
Okay.
and I could
Why
manage.
best thing? Because you have the phone, but the phone's functions,
No,
the
but
main
earlier
function of the phone to get
earlier
connected.
I thought that I would be the only one in that abandoned warehouse. I
We
would
generally
not
have
have
our phone with
any
us.
phone or anything, any stuff with me. But now I know that I have my phone.
You
It's
have
okay
your
to,
phone, but it
yeah,
does
it's
not have
okay
network.
to do not have any internet or something, because at least I have some pictures on my phone in the
Mhm.
gallery,
Okay.
and I obviously I would have some documents, some reading materials, some thing that
Mhm.
I could spend my time
Okay.
for a while.
Okay.
So um, it is good. I mean, to having nothing, at least I
It
would
is
have my
better than
phone.
having nothing. Better than
Yeah,
having.
yeah, it is better than having nothing. Yeah.
Okay. Now the second part of it is I did not disclose the second part of it,
All
and that
right.
is how would you react if you heard voices?
Okay. Which kind of voices?
Let's say
Ghosts.
somebody is fighting, somebody is shouting at the top of his voice, and it doesn't sound a good situation to be in.
Okay, so if
Scary. See, the situation is that the workshop, sorry, the warehouse has been abandoned, and definitely, if you are there and you are hearing voices, it might be that you are in between a crime scene. Maybe,
okay,
quite
okay,
possible.
okay.
How would you react now?
So if this would be the situation and I would hear some noises or voices, so
Mhm.
I would feel happy because I would have some voice. So it
Mhm.
makes me like I would live with a in a sorry I would live in a place where at least some people are around that
But these
area.
people do not sound good.
Okay.
I said it is a crime scene.
So
These people do not sound good. So whether you make it known that you have become awake or you don't make a sound and try to do something else is your choice.
okay,
Quite possible that if you make those people aware that you have become awake, you have come back to your senses, maybe they might attack you. Maybe the conversation is about you, maybe how Megha can be, how they can get rid of Megha, or how they can kill Megha. That is why
okay. So
you are here.
if this would be the situation, so I would prefer to keep my mouth shut, to keep
Okay.
my mouth shut, yes. And I would keep, I would, um, what should I say? I
I would
would
stay silent.
not, yeah, I would stay silent. I would not speak anything, and I would
Mhm.
focus what they would they are speaking.
They are speaking. Focus on what they are speaking.
They are speaking what they are talking about. So at least I would come to know what are the things in their head and what they
Mhm.
are going to do. And after knowing that, at least I would make some, I could make a kind of plan to come out from that abandoned place. Sorry. Yeah.
The way the conversation is moving ahead, maybe they have brought you there to either harm you, kill you, or maybe they are planning to kill somebody or harm somebody who is connected with you,
Okay.
and therefore you need to escape. How would you now handle the situation? Anyways, if you are still there in the, sorry, abandoned warehouse, you still want to find an escape route. Now you have the responsibility of finding the escape route without making any sound. How would you do that?
Okay. So as I mentioned that I would stay silent, and mm, I would stay uh, stay. How should I say? Like, mm, mm,
Okay.
mm, let me think. I mean, I would wait for a while that exactly what they are going to do. Okay, I would keep my mouth shut, and I would think that what are the possibilities over there that I can process. And I would try to make some plan according to the situation. I would find some kind of door or some kind of window so that I can escape from that place. Yeah. And basically, I would wait for a while to search surrounding the area, that what are the things I could do at that
Okay.
place to escape from that place. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Would you not want to know whether it is daytime or night time? Because you awoke, you
Yeah,
were
it's obviously that it would be night time, I guess.
not quite. Maybe they brought you in the night, and while you were sleeping, it dawned, or maybe it can be day or night. How would you ensure that it is a day or night time?
So I think in a day we have a crowd. I mean, we have to do some certain activities, and we people are doing their work. People have to commute. People need to do their job. So it is, in my understanding, that in a day it is quite difficult to do such things. In a night, probably it would be a little. easy to do because at night everybody go for sleeping, go for
Everybody
sleep.
sleep.
Yeah,
Everybody go
sleep,
to sleep or
go
everybody
to
sleep.
sleep. Yes, yes. So there would be no one. Okay, and if I would cry or if I would shout, so nobody would be there to hear me. So I think it would be the night, I think.
Out of that perspective, would you think that an abandoned warehouse, maybe in some corner of the city where nobody goes, generally an abandoned warehouse would be at an abandoned place. It may not be in the city center. So would it be scarier to be there in day, or would it be scarier for you to be there in the night?
Could you please
What do you
repeat the
think?
question?
I said it is an abandoned warehouse, maybe in an abandoned place. Maybe nobody comes to that place because
Okay,
generally warehouses are quite far away from the city.
from the city.
So, would it be scarier for you during the daytime, or would it be scarier for you during the night time? Or for you, it is both are okay. Doesn't matter
No,
whether
no,
it is.
no, no. So it would be scary at night for me. Yeah, this place would be scary at night for me.
Okay. Okay. How would you try to make sense of that situation? How did you land there? What kind of thoughts would race in your mind about how did I firstly land here in this place?
I didn't get. I mean, land here. That mean
How
when?
did you get into that warehouse? You would
Okay.
that thought would you start that kind of thought process that how did I land here? How did I come into this place?
So you told me that they. What should I? What is the word for? Yeah, they people
Kidnapped
kidnapped
you
me. Yeah, kidnapped
or
me.
abducted you?
Yes.
Okay.
So yeah, I don't want to go by myself. Obviously, I mean,
Obvious.
I yeah, I was sorry. I would come here forcefully by other people.
Yes, forcefully,
So
but imagine in a dream sequence when suddenly that dream starts.
hmm
For you, it is like it is happening originally, but that dream doesn't have a background about somebody stopping you at a particular place or putting chloroform on your face or dragging you inside a vehicle. So you have just opened your eyes there and you don't know anything. How did
so the
you might
so
be
it
thinking, right?
if
How did I
this
come here?
so this would be if this would be a situation. So I would I think somebody is after no, somebody would after me. How could I
Would
say
be
like
after me. Somebody would be after
somebody would be after me
after.
and I'm just trying to escape from that person and through running I mean yeah running I somehow I would land that place because
Correct. Okay.
place would be empty and abandoned, that's why, so
Okay.
that I can hide myself, I could
Okay.
hide myself,
So
yeah.
while you are finding an escape route, you come across a few
Mhm.
things, or maybe there are boxes lying and there are things in it. In such a situation, what would be the things you would want to carry or keep with you?
Okay, so yeah, that is quite interesting question, and I would like to carry so many things. First one is my paper spray.
Okay.
Second, knife.
Mhm.
Third one is chili powder.
Okay. No, no, I'm
And
talking about whatever is lying there. In a warehouse, you might have maybe sticks, metal rods, or maybe boxes lying here,
oh,
empty
okay.
boxes lying here and there, or maybe some articles that used to be stored in that warehouse. So,
Mm-hmm.
out of many things that can be available there, what would you like to keep with you as
Okay,
a
okay.
safety thing with you?
So as you mentioned that stick, I would
Mhm.
like to keep a stick with myself so that I can hit that person
Keep
or
that
that
one.
kidnapper. Yeah.
You've already heard somebody wants to damage you, somebody wants to hurt you.
Yes.
You also want to keep something with you. Okay. Uh, if you want to, how would you find your way out? Or what would be your first step to finding a way out?
Okay, so as I mentioned, that first thing I would do is I would look around very carefully. I would look, I would notice the things. What are the things there are, like window and door and some kind of damaged hole, maybe because it is
A
an
source of
abandoned
light,
warehouse. Yeah.
a
So
source
some,
of light, internal light.
sorry, I didn't
Because
get
if
you.
it is night time, if it is a night time, then this entire place would be dark, and the only thing that you can look for escaping would be a source of light.
Light.
If there
Yes.
is some light coming from outside, most
Yes.
probably a window won't be there. A door or a shutter might be there.
Might be there. Yes. Or you could say because it is an abandoned place, so maybe some areas
Might be broken.
are damaged and it can be ruined easily. I mean, yeah, it can be break,
It
it
can
could
be
be
broken easily.
broken easily. Yeah, it could be, yeah, it could be broken. Is this right?
It could be broken. Yes, it
Yeah,
could
it
be
could be
broken.
broken easily. So yeah, but you, like you said, that the time is like night time, and all warehouses in the dark, so it would be difficult to find out. But as a human being, we have some kind of senses, so we can
Instinct.
utilize instincts. Yeah, so I could use my instinct.
Okay. We are reaching almost the end of the session. So,
Okay.
Neha, you've been quite good in talking. The energy level, the excitement level is quite good. Even your facial expressions are quite good. So, people would, in general, like to make a conversation with you. I didn't find much fault with respect to English, just a little bit mistakes here and there about maybe tenses or what exact words should be used. But then that is always there. That small things are going to be there, and the more you talk to people, the more you converse, it will improve.